अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे सैमसंग गैलेक्सी A14 5G के बारे में।
Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Release 2023, the 12th of January 202 grams, 9.1 mm thickness Android 13, One UI Core 564 GB, 128 GB storage, micro SFN 6.6, 1080 x 2408 pixels 50 MP 1080p4, 8 GB RAM Exynos 1335,000 mAh network technology GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G LEUNCH announced 2023, the 4th of January status available. Release 2023, the 12th of January BODY dimensions, 167.7 x 78 x 91 mm 6.60 x 307 x 036 in, weight 202 grams 7.13 ounces, build glass front, plastic back, plastic frame. Display type is LCD 90Hz size 6.6 inches, 104.9 square centimeter approximately 80.2% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 x 2408 pixels 29. Ratio, approximately 400 ppi density, platform, OS Android 13, One UI Core 5 chipset Exynos 1330, SMMA, 146B MediaTek 6833 Mozambique and Metical Dimensity 700, 7nm, SMMA 146B CPU octa-core, 2 x 2.4 GHz and 6 x 2.0 GHz, SMMA, 146B octa-core, 2 x 2.2 GHz Cortex-A76 and 6 x 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55, SMMA, 146B GPU Mali G68 MC4 SMMA, 146B Mali G57 MC2 SMMA 146B MEMORY card slot micro dedicated slot, internal 64 GB 4 GB RAM, 128 GB 4 GB RAM, 128 GB 6 GB RAM, 128 GB 8 GB RAM, main camera 50 MP, f1.8, wide, PDA f2 MP, f2.4, macro, 2 MP, f2.4, depth, features LED flash, panorama, HDR video 1080p 830 fps selfie camera single 13 MP, f2.0, wide, video p830 fps sound loudspeaker yes 3.5mm jack yes comms WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11a B G N AC dual band Wi-Fi direct Bluetooth 5.2 a 2dp LE positioning GPS GLONASS Galileo NFC yes radio unspecified USB Type-C 20 FE8 URES sensors fingerprint side mounted accelerometer gyro proximity compass barometer USA only battery type LiPo 5000 mAh non-removable charging 15W wired MISC colors black light green dark red silver models SMMA 146B SMMA 146B DS SMMA 146B SMMA 146B DS SMMA 146U SMMA 146U1 SMMA 146U1 DS SMMA 146W SMMA 146P N SMMA 146P DSN SMMS 146VL1 Saudi Riyal W kg head 1.00W kg body SARU 0.56W kg head 1.28W kg body price $139 16,499 rupees 329 Nicaragua 99 centavo TSTS camera photo video loudspeaker 26.8 LUFS good।
आइए अब हम इसकी पिक्चर्स को देखते हैं। Subscribe Gadget Reviews।